Hello and welcome to the new Power BI tutorial video, and in this video I am showing you one interesting use case where we have a table like the left table which needs to be converted into this right table. So this is sort of a pivot or unpivot kind of a structure that we want to create. So what we have is basically the different titles. As you can see, they are getting repeated, and then we have their categories, like whether which category it is in and which series in it. So that is why it is getting repeated 2 times. And now if your objective is that there should be a single row, category and series should be the 2 columns over here, like I have done it over here, and then their respective values, historical and series value, will come down below to that, so that you get a much better table. Or let's say if this is exactly what you need, by rearranging the row values to the columns and the other row values to those respective columns like series and categories, and get the desired output, then this is the video that you have correctly landed on. Okay, before that, few quick information. If you need this workbook, the information is present in the description how to get it. Second is about all my videos, all related to the Power BI, the 300 plus videos. You can access it. The link is present in the description, like this individual is right now accessing it. So you can come over here, you can search any of my videos using the, as I'm keeping the video title, and jump onto that video using the video link that I have present. Also some topic category that I'm maintaining and the difficulty level, so that you know, okay, what difficulty level it is. So it has all the projects and everything. And if you are working on some of the projects, then you should know that this is a dataset folder. Within dataset folder, I keep the dataset sheet, which is this sheet where I maintain these dataset. Also in the dataset folder, I have multiple datasets over here. So I have explained in my videos as to where this dataset is present and how to get it. Okay, so coming back to this scenario. Scenario is, I hope you understood, and this is what you are looking for. So what we will do is we will go into this new table. Okay, so this is something which I explained it earlier. So for this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the new table. Okay, so in this case my solution is on the page number 6, so I'm keeping 6.1. that's how I'm basically putting it. Okay, so that is your new table, just a dummy table name I'm giving, and I'm using the summarize function, right? In the summarize function, I have the table called as data, right? And in this, what I need, group by via the title, right? Because we need the unique values of those. And then I press Alt Enter, and we will say we need a category column. Okay, and that is having the expression which is calculate. And we were going to use the max function just as a dummy one to get the values, right? Take value, okay, and then xnomy is equals to category. Okay, so we are specifying that we need the values under the category column. We need the value from the category column, okay, or this category condition, which is a row value in this case in the first table. All right, I'll just copy this and press Alt Enter and paste it. Okay, now what I do is, in this case, what we need is the series, right? And so this is become our column number 1, this become our column number 2, and in this case we need the values from where? Series, right? And I will simply going to enter and close this. Okay, and I press Enter. And here we have. So what we have done, we have used the summarize value first to group by via the title, so we get the unique title. Then we create column category, which is this one, and we are getting the values from the column for that category series or the categories rows, which is here. Next we are creating the column, then we are getting the values from those series related values over here. So that way you can transform your data completely and get the desired output like I am getting it, right? So this is something which I wanted to show you as to how you can achieve it and get this desired output. I hope you enjoyed the solution. Now I'll meet you in the new video with some new solution.